51-year-old man who travels the world carrying his disabled mother on his back. A 51-year-old man in China is being highly praised for traveling around different regions carrying his elderly disabled mother on his back. A man named Shai Wanbin is from Sichuan province and is traveling with his disabled mother using a traditional Chinese sleigh. The two recently visited the historic town of Huanglongxi in Chengdu. On this occasion, Shai Wanbin said that his mother has been confined to a wheelchair for 4 years due to an accident, and since then he often takes her with him for tourism. He said that he uses both the wheelchair and the sleigh during these trips because there are many times when it is very difficult to travel with a wheelchair. A female tourist shared photos and videos of the two on Chinese social media. According to the woman, she did not know Shaye and her mother, but she was very impressed by Shai Wanbin's behavior. She said, "This man seems very sincere to his mother. I am sure this is not the first time he has traveled with his mother on his back." According to the woman, "I released the videos on the internet because I wanted to spread the love of this man." According to Shai Wanbin, carrying your mother on your back is a son's duty and it is not such a special job. She said that the belt she uses is the same one her mother used to carry her grandchildren a few years ago. Shai Wanbin said that traveling with her mother on her back causes her back pain, which she had treated a few months ago, while many times she gets very tired. But he said, "If possible, I would take my mother to very remote areas and see as much of the world as possible."